So in this video, I'm going to go over how to add a custom block to a custom Simulink library. So doing this from scratch is a little bit more involved, but just going off what already exists in the Spot software, it's not too hard to add anything new. So we're going to start from the folder that we created for our previous video where we made the ReadPy demo block. So we're going to reopen this up, and we're going to add this block to our already existing Simulink library. So if I open up the library as it currently is, you can see there's the Spot custom library, and it has a bunch of sub libraries in here. So we're going to add the ReadPy block to the auxiliary functions. So to do this, fairly straightforward. The first thing we have to make sure we do is add this whole directory to the working path. So add selected files and folders, set path, save. The next thing we have to do is go to our main library, open up the main library, and unlock on the bottom left. Once we've unlocked, we want to go and type in the following command, which is set param gcs enable repository on, and hit enter. Then all we have to do is grab our new block, so you can copy that or just drag and drop, and we're going to bring it into our library. So we want it to go into the auxiliary functions. So here we go, we're going to put it here. We're going to call this the read text file. And then all we have to do is just save. So we can close this now. And then we should be able to go to the library, hit F9 or F5, and this will refresh our library. So now if we look under auxiliary functions, there it is. We have our ReadPy block. So now as long as the path we added, which was the ReadPy file directory, as long as this is part of the MATLAB working directory, this block will show up in our Simulink library browser. And that's it. So you can add as many blocks as you want to our existing custom library. If you want to start from scratch and you want to create your own custom library, all you have to do is create this SL blocks, and then you give it a name, and you tell it where to add it to. Basically, you just copy this, and then you put that in the directory where you want to have your library. To actually create this Simulink library, you just have to start a new Simulink instance, and you want to create a blank library. And that's it. So you just populate this with your actual blocks like I did in here, save it, and then run the set repository command. And that's it.